Hi, my name is Joshua and I am from the League of Amazing Programmers. Today I will be teaching you how to make arrays in Java. So the syntax for arrays is first type in the data type that you want the array to be. For example, int or strings, they all work. In this case, I'll just make it as an int. And then you type the square brackets and then the name of your array. So we would be making a favorite numbers array, so the favorite numbers should be the name. And then here you can initialize the array. So I would just, for example, if your favorite number was 1, 7, 15, 21, 25, then you would initialize it like that. Now, if you want to access the array, you can type in favorite numbers, the name of the array, and a dot. And there's different things you can do. For example, you can access the length. You're just favorite numbers dot length. And if you wanna print that out to the console, it would print 5 because there are 5 elements in our array. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And yes, it is 5. So if you want to access the elements inside the array, you can, instead of adding the dot, you would type in the square brackets, and inside would be the index that you want to access. But note that it starts at 0. The index starts at 0 instead of 1. So if you want to access this element right here, it would be favorite numbers of 0. And you can print that out. If you want to print out the whole array, it would be a bit time wasting to keep on printing out favorite numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and keep on doing that. So we can make a for loop for int I equals 0, I less than favorite numbers dot length. That's how you use the length, and then I plus plus. And then over here, you can just print out favorite numbers of I. And this works because I starts at 0, and 0 is the first index of the array. And then it has to be less than favorite numbers dot length, not less than or equal to, because it would be out of bounds if it was 5. Because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is not in the array. So that wouldn't work. But if you run this, and we can see that it successfully prints out all 5 elements in the array. And it works. So if you want to use arrays, you can try that out on your own, and you can code all sorts of different things. And thank you for listening.